In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the affiliate and influencer program with Temu in a simple and straightforward manner. If you're looking to start earning through collaborations, this is a great opportunity for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to visit the Temu website. Open your web browser and type in www.temu.com in the address bar. This site is the gateway to their vast marketplace and the starting point for our journey today. Upon landing on the home page, you'll be greeted with a variety of product offerings and promotions that might catch your eye. However, we need to focus on our goal of joining the affiliate program. Next, take your time to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. I know how tempting it can be to click on different sections and browse through the enticing products, but focus on reaching the footer of the page. Here you will find a section titled Company Info. This section is a goldmine of information about the company and provides links to important resources and opportunities. Within the Company Info section, you'll find a link that says Affiliate and Influencer Program, Join to Earn. This is your cue to click and unlock the potential for partnership and earnings. Click on the link and you'll be redirected to the program's page. Many people see joining an affiliate program as a daunting venture, but we're making it easy and accessible for you. Once you're on the page, you'll see an overview of the affiliate and influencer program highlighting the benefits and potential earning opportunities. This program is designed for those who have an audience and the desire to earn by promoting products you truly love and believe in. The process here is streamlined to ensure that anyone interested can easily join and start earning. Now simply click on Join to Earn and you'll begin the sign-up process. At this stage, you'll most likely be guided through entering your personal and business details to create your account. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any issues later on. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your future with the program. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've positioned yourself to start earning through Temu's affiliate and influencer program. Whether you're a content creator, a blogger, or someone with a good network, this opportunity can be very rewarding. Remember, staying engaged with the community and continually promoting products that resonate with you and your audience will help you succeed in this venture. Keep exploring and leveraging these opportunities to maximize your potential earnings. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing your success with Temu.